stage, you guys are doing good. I understand you have passion right now. The one thing you have the passion, and that's one of the very important ingredient when you want to try something. The passion also needs consistency. So that obviously, I then think I can see you guys have that, uh, you know, appetite to keep that passion live. It depends upon a lot of other factors which you will have in future. But please make sure no one achieves anything in an easy way.
Yes.
So there will be times where you will be finding out, no, I don't want to do this. I'm already overloaded with a lot of them. Obviously, there will be times where priorities will be there. You might have to, but then you have to again understand that if you want to do something, it's a hard way out, right?
Yeah.
So that's something I know you because when I see you guys, this was my first hackathon. I normally don't go that much, so I met Devan after 10 years. So I was out of the 5 years, 7 8 years. I've not been going to any colleges. So we used to set up the mobile app. So Devan and I set up the first Apple lab in India in Mumbai University. I cannot claim India, but I can claim definitely way back in 2010, where me and David started the principle of LRT virus. So I was introduced to him for an Apple. I was one of the Apple, pioneer developer, or you can say my first app was in 2007. So in 2007, you guys might look for the show. Those are the things you guys are 2004, 2005, right? 4 and 5, right? Yeah. Right. So that was my first app came in 2007. So that's how I built a lot of teams and all. And that's how I used to train kids, students on the professional coding. Because right now everyone knows what the hard reality is. So whatever is being taught in college right now, you have a lot of hackathons and all. I don't know hackathon was a culture also. There was no culture like hackathon. I think there used to be competition, but it was very limited. Like IEEE all the time, CSI competition. But not like every college or everyone creating a runtime hackathon like culture, which is very good, right? And that's really, you should take it up to next level. If I had 10 years to come to a level, if you take 10 years, then मेरे exposure का कोई फायदा ही नहीं हुआ. Like you just wasted your time in my life. I always prefer anyone who comes to me should grow faster than me. That should be an ultimate aim for. Then it makes sense for me sharing the experience. If I go to someone who is 10 times bigger than me, he might have taken 10 years to reach that level. And if I take 10 years, then I'm the most stupid person out there. I don't deserve to be trained by or mentored by anyone who is better than me.
Yeah.
Right? So we always prefer that way. If someone who have taken 10 years to reach, if he is giving a guidance and he gives his point of view, the other person should reach at least 60%. Like they are 70% तो worst case में 80% worst case है. But 80% के beyond का value क्या होगा? मतलब आपको एक रेडिएटर मैंने बताया. So right now from here to Lower Parel station, you might use Google Map.
Yeah.
Right? But then that 3, 4 other ways which are optimized than that map, which you might not know.
Yeah.
It may not detect it as a small gully से निकल जाऊँ. If I give that exposure and then that saves your 5 minutes and assume that वो will grow. आप अगर वो नहीं लेते हो और वापस 10 मिनट के रास्ते पे जा रहे हो, then what the use of mentorship? Then I just wasted your time and you also wasted your time because you haven't benefited and I never benefited. So right now, whenever he was giving you mentorship or anyone whom you take it as a viewpoint and see the journey, how fast you can achieve the goals. Obviously, the right way. That's always mandatory, I would say. Going unethical way has a benefit. Going a right way will have a long lasting. So I still give you example. 5 years before I stopped giving professional training on app development, I used to give corporate training as a hobby. People used to think like I'm in a training company. 400 लोगों में कोई भी ट्रेनर नहीं है. कहीं मैं अकेला देता था as a hobby. It was not my profession. Obviously, I should take charge bots, run like I was free of cost. But I have to value my time, right? And I have to see that what losses I'm taking because I'm not here, right? So still 5 years I'm getting calls. Since 5 years I'm getting calls. It used to be once a day call. The last 6 months we were reduced, okay, 4-5 times a month. We have one training, please come down. So why this happens is it's an organically, honestly grown bracket. Okay, by training someone got trained 10 years back, he's getting a high level right now, but this training you correctly. Last 5 years I'm marketing myself, I've stopped giving. Please remove my number from your database of trainer. And I don't know anymore. I used to be as a hobby, but I don't have a network of trainers. So that's the value. So whenever you're doing a good work, it will happen ups and downs, right? The important is you be original, you be your honesty, ethical value, right? Today, I have still find 2009, my mobile developer, iPhone top 3 developer of India. First, multimedia post developer with me being a part of that team. Imagine that time I was just a second year professional person. I passed out in 2007. 2009, there was so much boom. A lot of people used to call, "Hey, why are you wasting your time in India? We are in US. We are the one who got trained by you in engineering and all. We are paying you a huge amount of money. We are wasting your time." Today they're telling me, "You did a very great job here. We're just serving our own family right now. We're serving God. We're looking at the nation. We're giving back, right? With this." So now you feel different. But then those are the same guys. So it will come. The tough part is there, right? But again, you have to decide what you want to do. Then your mentorship can help you, right? It's not like going on job is a bad or becoming an entrepreneur is a code. It's not that way. Being clear is best. I was very clear on the day one I want to become an entrepreneur. Next, I fought for my engineering because I wanted to always become a coder. I fought for my engineering with my parents, but they were not. They were like, God, but yeah, become commerce graduate. Accounts should be there in your blood. That's it. Like that. So you have to understand. You should know where you want to go. So I was very clear how to become coder. How to be a coder. I didn't want to go for GRE. I wanted to become an entrepreneur in coding. None of my family members are into IT. I'm the first engineer in my khandan. 7 generations, right? But that's how it is. So you don't have so getting a business is not difficult. It's very difficult. Why will someone trust you? So a lot of challenge with them. Okay. But then depends upon your passion, which you have, and your vision or yourself. Where you looking 5 years for padega. And right now, I'm telling you guys, you are very lucky. You have a lot of exposures. You have a lot of time. We also have a lot of time. There's something हमारे time दिखता. But we didn't have any direction. But there were nothing platforms in it. There were no interaction sessions happening with some industry guys, seeing you as a talent. Right? Everyone knows. I don't. This time also you have paid leaves होते हैं क्या वो preparation leave for exams. तो मैं बहुत वहीं पे आते तो टेक्मेक्स पढ़ते थे भाई.
Hello.
वो छोटी सी बुक में 4 सेमेस्टर के पेपर्स निकल गए. So that's smartness, right? But then the smartness was not utilized in the right way. That would have been more 5 years ahead. I didn't got it. Okay. Right? So that's my security because I never looked out also. I was in my rooms. You know, we are always in our friend circle, right? It's still okay. You will get carried away. Fine, it's part of your age, right? So you have to tell me where you want to see yourself. Be open. It's okay. It's an open session of you. I promise you, I'll call you once, right? At least to have a discussion. Then we'll see, right? क्या होता है? So that's a session of an industrial session of interacting with industrial guys. एक छोटा सा अलग होता है. वो तो ठीक एक्सपोजर है. आप जब बच्चे थे तब हम ग्रेजुएट हुए थे. एक्चुअली वो 20-25 साल का तो आपका लेवरेज ले लो हमारे एक्सपीरियंस का 1 घंटे में. That's the whole point. Sagar, if you want to add?
Yeah. So whatever you say, so we can learn from them. And so, like, so you want, who are you going to sit for placements or who is going to seriously pursue this product, or is a side or full time? So what is we want to hear?
Yeah, your goals. It's open. Yeah. Don't judge yourself. That is those. You are speaking for your individual. Right? आज रात में हो 10 साल के बाद पता नहीं आप बात भी कर पाओगे. You never know. That's a hard reality.
Yes, sir.
होता है.
तो सर लाइक बिफोर जब यहाँ पर खानी पड़ा था, सबसे पहले आइडिया इसको आया था कि लाइक ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाते कुछ मार्केट में आया करते, तो सबका हम सबको कॉल से बहुत ना, तो उससे तक ये मार्केट में कर सकते हो और ये अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, क्योंकि पैसे नाम करेंगे प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बनेगा। और अभी एक और मतलब ठीक है, एक और आइडिया वो तो हमने अभी स्टॉप किया है, और इससे हम लोग को जैसे हम लोग कल से ही जैसे मालूम भाई के साथ आपने उसने बोला कि हेल्प करेंगे, तो लोग और मोटिवेटेड हो गई कि हाँ अगर प्रोजेक्ट है तो कुछ तो हो सकता है अच्छा, इसलिए हम लोग ने सर ने अप्रिशिएट किया।
फिर राइट वहाँ पे और एक सर थे, मैंने हमें गाइड किया कि इसके अंदर और चीज़ें ऐड करने का जो उनको वार्ड हाउस से लगता है कि ये सब होना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने भी अभी मैंने नोट करके रखा
हाँ।
ये सब ऐड करेंगे।
तो वो सब हम लोग फैमिली में भाई प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, इसको हम लोग कर सकते हैं। जैसे हम कुछ काम चालू कर रहे हैं अभी, जैसे वीडियो वाला पार्ट हम लोग करिए,
जैसे कि फीचर स्कोप में हम लोग ने वीडियो वाला पार्ट लगाया, तो उसके लिए हम लोग ओपन सी भी सीखना करेंगे स्टार्ट किया। तो जैसे हम लोग का खत्म हो, हम लोग का ओपन सी इज रेडी, कैमरा ऑन हो रहा है, बट उसमें वो साइन लैंग्वेज थोड़े ट्रांसलेट करने में प्रॉब्लम है, तो जैसे सीख लिया वैसे करना होगा।
बेसिकली वो एक प्रोजेक्ट को आगे के
एग्जाम
हाँ वी आर सीरियस अबाउट दिस
और ये लोगों ने नीम खरीदा, पर नीम शायद किसी ने लिया हुआ है जॉब चेंजेस, तो उसके लिए मेरा इश्यू, बट मेरा
ब्रांड नेम इज डिफरेंट, इट्स ओके।
हाँ तो बस पूरा प्रोसेस में है कि लाइक ये आपको
आज मैं रिक्रूटेड और आया थे, I have that domain. So we have already a portal like this. So we have a lot of domain names का not a problem, brand name one. Right now I was discussing my trademark के लिए मैं बात आ रही है मेरे for what that's again the legal things.
आगे जो सर मैं मेंटरशिप से आपसे आज कैसे
Yeah, 100%. So I always prefer people with passion. Yes. मेरा कंडीशन एक ही है, अगर मेरे को 10 साल लगा और आपको 10 साल लगा तो यार फिर ये मजा नहीं आएगा। आपको टारगेट रखना पड़ेगा 4 साल 5 साल में, क्योंकि वो अचीव करो जो हमको 10 साल में अचीव करेगा। देन मेरा मिलना सेंस बना 20 साल का, मेरा लर्निंग मैंने बताया वो सेंस का, या फिर मैंने झूठ बोला या आपने झूठ समझा, दोनों में से एक ही गलती तो है राइट। अगर मेरा बोलने में झूठी हुई तो इसने तो होना ही चाहिए था। That's how it is, right? We always try to speak to people who are more experienced and more successful than us. That's the only idea. My mantra is simple. वैसे 10 गुना ऊपर वाला है उससे मेरे को बात करनी, वैसे नीचे 10 ज़्यादा, that's my ego satisfaction. That doesn't make any sense to me. That's a ego. वो हमने आपको एक खुश करने के तो मैं तेरे से आगे, मेरे से को आगे वो तो मैं आगे जाऊँगा ना, तो मैं तो वैसे ही रहेगा वाला हूँ ईगो में कि मैं तो इससे तो आगे हूँ। So be that way. Learn from one who are head down in anything. That's so you guys. So that in third year you are third year. So now you are really getting job. In this
Yeah.
चालू हो गया होगा जून से. So you'll be applying for your jobs and all, right? Yeah.
बट बाय साइड ये प्रोजेक्ट को जरूर बहुत सीरियसली आगे का फैक्ट।
Okay. So now, so you guys all are 4 technical guys.
Yes.
Product बना दोगे. बनाने के बाद क्या होगा?
उन्हें दिस
पैसा हाँ
आएगा तो आपको मिलेगा ना।
वही सब लाइक सब नॉर्मल फैमिली से लाइक
I understand.
प्रोडक्ट डेवलप हमारे कैसे लेना मेन पॉइंट के प्रोडक्ट वेडिंग ला
प्रोडक्ट पे नाउ
Exactly.
कैसे रहेगा
लाइक कैसे एडवर्टाइजिंग कर रहे हैं, क्यों ना फीचर्स क्या है कॉम्पिटिटिव।
केटा कॉपी प्रोडक्ट
फर्स्ट टाइम आएगा परफेक्ट बिजनेस है।
Okay. हाँ वो बना दो क्या? ये सब बना दो। तो आप सब जॉब पे जा रहे हो?
बेशक जॉब जैसा भी आप भी होता है कि नाम होता है कि टाइम हम कैसे मॉनिटर में ऐसे ही हो सकते हैं, हम कर सकते हैं प्रोडक्ट के।
And I don't know, you should take a backup plan. See, having a backup plan is not a bad idea. Just don't be wrong in that. मैंने कंपनी से कंपनी में जॉब ली थी,
मैडम बहुत सारे जॉब
तो I tell you my thing. I was a job and I was running a company. And 2009 I had stopped, and then you 2010, right? So we came, but that event for FBA. So we were very, so it's not like इसको FBA करना था, because proper ये 2 टेक्निकल बंदे रहेंगे तो फायदा क्या कंपनी में, धंधा कौन कराएगा? एक कोडिंग करने से थोड़ी होने वाला है कुछ भी, बेचना है। Then he paid for 2 years FBA, right, full time. And then he came back and then he changed the lot of processes after his learning, right? ये तो हम वही कर रहे होते हैं, right? So definitely you should plan be focused, because at this age now, I tell you, when we started a company, we had 10 hundreds of services. ये भी करेंगे वो भी करेंगे, इसने एक या इसने कमाया, ये भी हम कर सकते हैं। टैलेंट है अपने बदल के, यू विल नेवर एबल टू चेक एट 5 साल बाद रिलीज ऑन ओके की चीज कर पाओगे। इट्स टाइम इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो आई थिंक यू जस्ट केम नाउ, इफ यू हैव कम 6 months back, देयर वाज अ वॉल व्हिच वाज, दिस वॉल had a iPhone covers, paint design. That was my failure business. Because back at your age, not at your age, but then 5 years after my business, when this service business was there, e-commerce boom, Amazon boom 2014. So you get candid out there. अरे आप पैसा मत दे. We should do it. We should do it. And end up flop startups. So it was my failure. No, learning बहुत मिला होगा. Learning एक मिला 10 चीजों पर नहीं बैठ सकते. So you have to like I like your point. एक और आइडिया है पर हम लोग फोकस इस पे कर रहे हैं. ये आइडिया घर हो जाएंगे.
आते हैं
और हर किसी को देख के आपको ऐसा लगेगा आई शुड ऑल्सो डू दैट. मेरे एक फ्रेंड को $10 मिलियन का वैल्यूएशन मिला था अपनी कंपनी को बेचे दे रहा था. मेरे प्रोडक्ट पे बहुत जाना था मैं सम सर्विस में. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माय फ्रेंड इज इन एमबीए. आई डोंट नो वेदर ही स्टिल देयर नॉट. आई वेंट टू जियो प्रॉमन 8 o'clock का कॉफी के लिए. So I had 2 companies. One is a product company and one is a service company. I have got FOMO. It always happens. It's a part of life, right? You have few friends, you're making $10 million. Yet उसका प्रोडक्ट तुमने बना के दिया उससे. I am not making any. That time I didn't have $1 million revenue also. यार सर्विस में जाने आ रहा है. क्या कर रहे हैं? प्रोडक्ट में जाएंगे. I met that guy. He was down to meet me. He used to handle 100 crore. Long put in. He used to handle 100 crore का portfolio. Waited apa zalo rumah kagak kurang dua jam ni buat. Look, he's a capital guy. You understand? You have said 5 years, 7 years, you have positive cash flow, you are having money in your bank. You don't know how to use it. Funding यही कर
क्या कुछ पता नहीं.
क्या करेगा? पहले justify तो कर पैसा क्यों चाहिए? अगर तेरे को पैसा चाहिए तो ऑलरेडी बड़ा उसका क्या करना? Then you make me realize you not see that way. You're not seeing your cash only in the way you want it to see. You're engrossed in your coding.
See.
Okay? Secondly, this is positive business. Making a positive business takes ages, takes generations. You have been already doing that. This is just the FOMO for you. एक प्रोडक्ट है, तेरी फ्रेंड का चल रहा है, इसका चल रहा है, कॉमन फ्रेंड से चल रहा है, तू तेरा भी चलेगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Right? FOMO है तेरे को. And never give away equity. There was one of my friend also wanted to invest with a 33% stake, right? And in that, again, I won't disclose name to the great guy, you know, नाम ना आ जाएगा. So he told me 33% का, that time you invest here. यार इतना है profit. I pay this much profit of 33. You take me. Well, this is not the way you do it, bro. So equity of your 8 years of life, every 1% is with that I was at that level of मेरे पास cash flow था. I had a good business, I had a client, I had payment, I was giving salary to 50 people. That's a different thing. अभी startup वाला बोले equity दे देगा तो invest तो पैसा ना दे देगा. It has to be. I give you my मेरा failure होने का reason ही था. E-commerce का failure reason था मेरा arrogancy. Because we were like पहले meeting में कोई positive दे देता है ना तो हवी में हो जाता है. So Junjun Rana called me in that e-commerce business. So we are 4 partners. Me, Sagar, 2 of them. One partner stays only in China. He's still in China. One partner was distribution था यहाँ पे Apple का सबका. His brother, real brother. Sagar is marketing guy. I'm a tech guy. 4 combination, 4 customized cases जो आप लेते हैं ना हम लोगों ने उसे ना पूरा portal बनाया था. The vision was you design your case, covers, screens, anything. It gets delivered. That was a product made. We got an idea stage only, and we were ready to ship. हमने machines order दे दी थी. Like everything in India, हमारे ऑफिस पे हो गया. You knew what I was here. Sales, right? You and Vinesh went. 1 crore on table, 25% stake. अभी either right now or बाहर निकल के मेरे को मैं कभी फोन नहीं करूँ. तो they were like, and the first like 2-3 में नहीं हुआ machine order किया. तो the question was, you told them why you are giving us that much. But 4 pillars, 4 different and 4 experts. एक बंदा चाइना में बैठा, मतलब procurement, best of procurement हुआ क्या. तो पूरा धंधा एक है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दूसरा बंदा है उसका ऑलरेडी वो चाइना से लेकर आ रहा है, उसका भाई बॉय से मार रहा है, यहाँ तो पूरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है. You have Apple, you have blah blah 3,000 branches, 10,000 branches. Already you have a distribution channel. And already you are running a show. So that new product and line. Priyam, टेक का तो टेक्नोलॉजी में कभी फेलियर होना ही नहीं होगा तो तुम्हारे पास टेकिंग बैक कर रहा है तो आज पॉडकास्ट होगी नहीं बैक दूसरे कंपनी में सागर मार्केटिंग का डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एवरीथिंग MBA and you have been doing marketing for your company. So 4 corners, 4 pillars, 4 complementing each other. Deadly combination. वैसे आपको नहीं जाने कैश तो 25% मांग रहा पागल हो गया है क्या दैट एरोगेंस होता है यू नो आई हैव टू मेक 1 करोड़ का ऐसे ही मैं रेवेन्यू नहीं आऊंगा एक का 4 मैं अभी कर दूंगा 4 महीने में आई हैव अ 400 पीपल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर मेंबर ऑफ अ कंपनी 400 दिवाली आ रहा है दिवाली गिफ्टिंग में आई हुआ दिस कस्टमाइजेशन हो गया मेरा तो 400 कंपनी में ऑर्डर देना है बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर हुआ तो कि भाई इनसे वेंडर पैनल करो इससे कस्टमाइज कस्टम का हाल होता मेरे को दिख रहा है मेरा पैसा निकलते हुए डबल चावल और फिर उसको मैं लेके चला मांगी कोई भी थी वी गॉट ओवरवेल्ड अरे यार ये कहाँ है अभी तो हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया है कितने लोग आएंगे वी एंड अप losing 6 pounds yes and that was the biggest failure of my life do not be arrogant मैं पहले मीटिंग में कोई मिल जाता है और पॉजिटिवली आपको देखा तो अपना को एक हो जाता है कि यार अपना ट्रायल टेस्टेड हो गया है लेकिन क्या है 10 लोग आएंगे 25% थोड़ी देंगे 10% देंगे खाली या 5% देंगे आज तो कोई आइडिया वी हैव टू मेक अप चलिए 5 साल so it always that way sometimes opportunity comes we get arrogant so that this was experience of I never go arrogant now अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ मेरे को पॉजिटिव वाइब आ जाता है तो मैं कैरी नहीं हो जाता हूँ क्या रील बोला तो उसका आ गया मतलब उससे जुड़ जाओ और आगे बढ़ जाओ ज़्यादा हीरो मत दो दिमाग मत लगाओ कि इसके अलावा ये 100 लोग आएंगे है किधर लाइन में है क्या अपॉइंटमेंट है क्या 10 लोग क्या हो वो तो संजोग हो गया होगा कुछ हो गया होगा तो आ गए और पॉजिटिव चल गया था एंड देन कोलैप्स हो गया सेम थिंग एवरीथिंग गेट collapse because we already had that's the second reason we all had businesses these were our part-time stuff part-time मतलब second earnings were not all based on that earnings were still happening right so team management was never a full-time so that's all the second so nowadays whenever we invest in startups we see founders full-time है क्या उसका घर उसके तरफ चलता है where you are still young you are at that stage of creating a startup and getting into it and you're still trying the product that's good you're getting exposure for you your parents will say get into the product exposure is the life that's the right so that's how it is right so always think 10 times when someone shakes hands ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके अलावा भी 10 लोग हैं तो एरोगेंस बताओ 10 अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं क्या आप देंगे तो बात करो तो तुम डिसाइड कर सकते हो है कि नहीं एक आ गया उसके हिसाब से आप करोगे तो ठीक होता है and then you have to be full time sometime if you really want to so it took us 4 years 5 years to understand यार अभी यार कितना ला देंगे none of us was उस कंपनी के चलने पे हमारा घर चले वैसा नहीं था तो फायर एंड वैली वाज मिसिंग फाइट कर लेते कहीं पे भी राइट कि यार इसके बाद मेरा घर नहीं चलेगा भागना तो पड़ेगा ही so it is also a learning for us so the knowledge and we lot of people come out at me the idea my idea is you implementation के बाद make sure तू कितना full time पैसा मतलब not right now you are your intention should not be making money right now your intention should be getting more exposure it's still young right you have huge sight of you have other priorities you have to crack the exams also your chat with this thing will not help you to practice करो उसमें डालो लास्ट 6 सेमेस्टर के पे 4 साल के पेपर और प्रश्न पता कौन से आ सकते हैं वो यूज करो it's a fun and get smartly prepared your but now that's all I'm saying okay we can do it we can help you out definitely that's the reason I have invited you so what help you need from us that's the second question I'm going to ask I understand right now everyone will have the same roadmap and all that's a fight you will go for your job you have to prepare for your thing and you will take this as a product as a right now a secondary but only one product because there will be hundreds of items when you want to be able to get a right end-to-end exposure
yes
right so that's how it is like
लाइक इवेंट के बाद ही अपने एचओडी के पास गए थे आपके मैम लोगों के प्रोडक्ट बांटने हम लोग लाइक लीव चाहिए लाइक 2-3 मंथ्स का और एचओडी ने बोला ठीक है आपको लीव लेकिन मुझे किसी का चाहिए कि आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं मेंटरशिप कर रहे हैं तो एंड मी प्लीज फॉर हेल्प गो टू एचओडी अगर देखो ऑनेस्टली लाइक ठीक है 6 मंथ आपको देंगे एग्जाम देना आप
हाँ।
एग्जाम तो क्लियर कर लेंगे तो इसी हम रन कर लेंगे इतना तो मैम ने बोला ठीक है हम लोग कुछ लीव देते हैं पर जो मेंटर है वो मेंटर को वो सपोर्ट कौन कर रहा है वो तो मुझे चाहिए
100% you will need a letter also from us.
फिर बोला कि
100% you will
we'll give you leave do go and make this product
That's nice. So your focus should be exposure.
हाँ, तुमने-
Take something मेरा बोला हमसे इतना ले सकते हो नहीं तो वो exposure से right? Right? Sami, anything you want to say?
Yeah, I mean, so focus करना पड़ेगा. But if you really want to take it forward, ना, you have to go step by step. कि
Yeah.
exactly क्या क्या pain points है पहले, और फिर उसके pain points के हिसाब से you need to develop feature list. पहले तो पूरा feature list, backlog, and then step by step उसके ऊपर coding करना पड़ेगा. And then coding also in a right way with proper architects.
Yeah, because scalability is also a big issue.
Yeah, so probably in 2025 just focus on developing the product. और जो product market.
Yeah, so right now, yeah. And then next year we'll forget, start C6 में, how we can take start with the mark.
Wow. We can start using in one of our companies and see कि कैसा चल रहा है, everything is good.
So what we can do now, we can already give them the exposure
Yeah.
of our current product, which is against Python and React Studio. I think that's something they are comfortable
Yes, that's true.
So they get a jump start on the architecture wise. You have उसमें volume of it. I think you have not tried 10,000 resume or 20,000 resume, right? But that's not an AI enabled. It's more of a work. It's an applicable workflow to make sure that what was the pain point. You know, normally in this system, the recruiter को pain point जाता है. Where is the source of resume? Where do you get resume from? Right now, के हिसाब से resume अगर मेरे को as a recruiter किसी को hire करना है, हम कहाँ जाके hire करोगे? एक LinkedIn और दूसरा
Indeed, okay, about India was.
बस सबसे बड़ा कौन है? इनका बाप कौन है? इंडियन मार्केट में
Did how you're
सबका बाप नौकरी है. So everyone goes on नौकरी. इन दिनों वही रहा. लोग इंडस्ट्री में इनमें बहुत कम लोग जाते हैं. Like वो इंटर्नशिप के लेवल पे राइट सर इंडियन फॉर्म इंटर्नशिप you're not looking at you don't have to look at your internship right I'm just so that jobs के लिए so नौकरी is the one LinkedIn is a more premium so like 30 lakhs 40 lakhs are about to look to get नौकरी LinkedIn होता है but now your recruiter will not be having 30 40 lakhs वहाँ पे जॉब शीट भी कम होता है जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी भी कम होती है एक लेवल के बाद आप रिस्क लेके आनी चाहोगे तो एक से 5-10 लाख की शो होता है उसके बाद नहीं होता it will have a lot of expenses. What about the stability? What about my family stability? मैं कहीं जाऊँगा बॉस दूसरा आ गया तो खड़ूस निकला तो पूरा इक्वेशन खराब कर देगा लेकिन अभी के बाद सब अपने आप को सेटल कर लेते हैं राइट सो नौकरी इज ओनली वन यू हैव सोर्स वन फिल्टर सेम सब ऐसे सेम करेगा तो फोन 10 लोग क्या आते हैं सब मेरा एजेंसी आई यू डोंट हैव एजेंसी लॉगिंग द बिगर मार्केट इज एजेंसी एक बार वर्क विद एजेंसी विद द वॉल्यूम हायरिंग जहाँ होती है वहाँ पे एजेंसी भी आती है एजेंसी से भी हायर करते हैं तो एजेंसी बोलता है मेरा रेज्यूमे और वो भी मिसिंग है आपके अंदर इट्स ओनली वन पर्सन कैन नॉट आपका वॉल्यूम पे आपको मिलेगा योर बिजनेस मॉडल यू शो दैम बिजनेस मॉडल इन लोग का बिजनेस रेज्यूमे बेस्ड था
Yes, yes.
कुछ भी चलेगा
Common now.
बट एजेंसी होता है तो रेवेन्यू हेल्प भी होता है वी आर ऑलरेडी मेंटल एक्शन एज अ कंपनी अ पोर्टल दिस इज कॉल्ड एप्लीकेशन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम एटीएस बोलते हैं एक हम कहते हैं एटीएस how your application is tracked and completed, right? So we have a product, but a lot of data is already there. You can get an exposure to that. You can say these are the user experience which you want to change. You can say these are the places where you can. But AI is also not that everywhere you can put AI. It's a build. Right now, so you are using very small AI and all. When you go volume, you know that the impact is huge. So basically, we have to do you have to also do a due diligence, which AI tool will be much more economical, right? Academic development matter after the application. When you want to make a real product, you have to make an ROI, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because when you want to sell something, मैं 100 रुपए का लूँ मेरे को क्या फायदा?
This is one चीज.
राइट सामने वाला बोलेगा 200 का तुम मेरा 200 का खाता है मैं नहीं दूंगा 100 का मेरा पहले 100 का खर्चा होता है अभी मैं तेरे यूज करने का मेरा 50 का खर्चा होता है That's our way of selling happen. It's a real आप भी जाते हो तो क्या देखते हो ट्रिपल देख के थोड़ी देखते हो किसी वैल्यू को मनी देखते हो यू सी द वैल्यू द वैल्यू कैन बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेविंग द टाइम ऑफ द एम्प्लॉई इफ अ रिक्रूटर इज स्क्रीनिंग 10 resource profiles a day can you give an efficiency of screening 50 profiles of a industry, various industry people, without that person knowing that industry. And that's a value addition. कि अब मैं 25 लाख का या 10 लाख का रिक्रूटर के बदले में 15,000 के रिटर्न्स को बटा के भी कर दूं. There you add value for your product, right? That will teach you when that level coming next year. Selling. पहले product बनाना पड़ता है. So I think the product what you have is good. We have much. Always there are few things which we don't have, which you can add. Obviously with your young, well, always young guys gives you more idea, right? So if you want to work in that spectrum, obviously we have that portal. We have recruiter.io, right? I can ask someone, Akansha, to help you with the demo also. It's not on, you can see the demo. And if you guys have that permission, आप लोग ऑफिस आ सकते हो. Obviously travel is a मैं चर्चगेट बोरीवली 4 बार जा सकता था. एक जमाने में मैं 4 बार जाता था एक दिन में 5,000 के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. आप वैल्यू समझ लो.
मेरा भी सर सेम टाइमिंग है, शायद जाता हूँ नहीं सर
क्यों?
क्या सुन
राइट. आपको कॉलेज के हिसाब से मैं तो बिजनेस में आया था तब मैं चर्चगेट बोरीवली दिन में 4 ट्रिप मारा हुआ है खाली 5,000 के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. दैट्स अ हार्श रियलिटी. व्हाई विल समवन गिव यू? तू अकेला थोड़ी है दुनिया से. यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ, राइट? यू नीड अ प्रूफ, राइट? और टाइम में थोड़ी जाऊंगा तो उसका वैल्यू चेंज हो जाता है. थोड़े जीरो और आएंगे तो जाऊंगा. बात तो है कि वो आपका वैल्यू और पर्सुएशन में टाइम का दिखते हो, राइट? जाना पड़ेगा. सो राइट नाउ आई वुड सजेस्ट आपका 4th ईयर के पहले यू शुड हैव सो मच एक्सपोजर that then you have in a controlling position, whether you want to work in that company, whether you want to become an entrepreneur or become a, obviously over the journey how you being always obviously want to make sure that you get your returns of your hard work. We are very clear, right? So we have a platform. You already have a platform. We have been using it. First thing is take that platform, see where you guys in terms of coding, architecture, professionally get वो SaaS product है, proper SaaS product. It's a proper SaaS product. The subscription base वो सब आके क्या आता है, pricing model white label base भी है. वो और complicated हो जाता है क्योंकि एक कोड बेस में 10 लोग को चलाना है तो और कॉम्प्लिकेशन है. यहाँ पे करना तो इट विल डिले. लॉट पीपल से डिले करता है तो डिले होना पड़ता है कि 10 चीज़ों का इम्प्लीकेशन करना पड़ेगा, है ना? सो वी हैव लॉट ऑफ दिस इज योर एक्सपोजर. And you should make sure that product doesn't have AI. So you should make sure that AI component, you should get into that. So I'll give you exposure to a lot of new things also. So basically we have specific question with specific tech of a specific company in a trending. Because normally what happens when you go in market में आप Accenture जाओ, कोई भी service company जाओ, कोई नहीं. Always nowadays client are also very mature. You agree? 20 साल पहले अलग चीज था. अभी क्लाइंट को भी पता है क्या होता है. You cannot fool someone, right? It's a bigger project country. छोटे लोग जो नहीं हो सीख के सीख जाता है. So they interview. Tip is, I'm sorry, what's up with it? Prince अच्छा बंदा है. मैंने बोला मेरे क्लाइंट को, लोग मेरे प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करेगा ना, मैं उसका इवैल्यूएट करूँगा. टेक्निकल रिलेशंस होते हैं. उन लोग बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू होने के बाद इंटरव्यू. भाई मेरे को शौक नहीं है इंटरव्यू कराने. भाई मेरे को प्रोजेक्ट ही तो चाहिए. किस पे काम करेगा? आइडल बैठ के क्या कर लेगा? कहीं पगार नहीं मिलेगा. उससे फायदा किसको है? कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम लूजिंग मनी, यू आर ऑल्सो लूजिंग योर टाइम, एक्सपोजर, द कंपनी प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो क्लाइंट थिंक्स इंटरव्यू ऑफ द पर्सन ऑल्सो, इवन दो एवरीथिंग इज फिक्स्ड. Talent is on me. Then also the person who is working on me should be as per your पैसा तो मेरा भी तो लग रहा है. So you understand. So हम लोग क्वेश्चन था, we can give you that back also. We have content repositories also. So we can create a portal network and can give you resources also. कि भाई ये टॉपिक तो फेल हो रहा है तेरे क्वेश्चंस में. These are the resources you have. This is a Udemy course you should subscribe for. And with an internal employee of the company who's trying can get an access to that Udemy course directly. So we have a lot of that thing also. I have a different portal of LMS. So a lot of things you can do to create a value for it. I can guide you in those value. But first step is first get aligned to the professional coding. Obviously you've been doing professional coding. I'll put a really professional especially. I think my UI, our UI must be much lesser than their UI, right? In terms of lightness.
Bro.
Because ये फर्क होता है. young में और so you can always interact. We are open to it. Recruiter.io करके है, but then it's a closed, it's not an open portal. We are using for ourselves only. It's a SaaS product, but we are using for ourselves. We don't have that much time to market it and say, हमारे पास कुछ काम है. So you get an opportunity. If you guys make and you are serious, next step तुम sale कर लो. We can help you out of it. I have no problem. Yeah. And here we invest in everything. If you need advisor, we'll give you advisor. If you need any help, mentor, everything will go technical, everything is like it helps. And if you're coming full time, we'll make sure that we compensate you with some cyber that you don't stand or support for collaboration. Right? But that all. My work motivation का मैं will see for and giving you money is not wrong for. Is the seriousness. This is one important.
Yes.
Right? So now what you guys can do, you can see the demo and we are here to help you. Anything else you need from me, let me know right away. So हम आपको mentorship दे देंगे, product का roadmap भी दे देंगे. हम इंडस्ट्री में प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट भी दे देंगे आपको कि हमारा धंधा ही वही चलता है, सर्विस कंपनी है, दिन भर हमारा काम नहीं है. We are typical IT TCS Infosys type का मॉडल. But we have to keep people on bench idle. जब प्रोजेक्ट आएगा तो हम प्रूफ क्या, what is our manpower is आपको सर कल का प्रोजेक्ट चालू कर. कल रात का मैं बताता हूँ आपको, मेरा फोन चल रहा था, फोन था उसके पास, रात में 9-11 साढ़े 11 बजे डील क्लोज कर रहा था. रात का 10:30 बजे प्लेन आई वांट अ प्रोजेक्ट टू स्टार्ट एट एनी कॉन नोट जैसा बंदा चाहिए मुझे. अभी वो कैसे ले पाऊंगा? So I have to keep people idle, right? When a project comes, that's my USP of a service company. I'm ready to start.
Very nice.
आप दोगे मैं ढूंढूंगा. तो that's the reason people say कि idle बैठाता है. Idle बैठाना किसी को शौक नहीं है. पैसा जा रहा है. Right? So but that's how it works. When that exposure you will get. You become more mature when you go to a real world. Day one से कोई आपको देगा नहीं का.
Yes.
There's a trust. There's a seriousness. Secondly, everyone works in their own way. I'm not saying you're best, I'm worst, I'm best, you're worst. सबके अंदर धल के चलना पड़ता है. So right now you might find कि ऐसा कैसे लिखा है. But जिसने लिखा है उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ कोड को चाहे कि वो CTO CIO मेरे साथ 10 साल से है. वो नेक्स्ट 20 साल रहेगा. आपका क्या गारंटी? आप तो अभी तो आए हो. तो उनको बोल दो थैंक यू सर, नहीं कर रहा है. तो बहुत सारे टाइम पर लेके से चीज़ें चलानी पड़ती है. So को उसको कुछ करने के बाद support कहाँ है? You have to understand. Are you that much loyal? Then your word will be heard. When you make a major drastic transformation. तो नहीं होता है. तो बहुत बार लगता है कि talented है तो भी इसका सुनते मेरा नहीं सुनते. होता है. ये हमको भी लगता था. रिस्क इतना है. तुम तो चंचल हो. वो चंचल नहीं, वो सेटल हो गया है. Right? So that was what we learn. So I would suggest start this year with this. Next year आप ready हो जाओ. Presentation skills अच्छे ही आपके. I will communicate. Take that product to the market. We'll help you out. We'll go this way. And we'll try to see. Once you come for 15-20 days, 1 month, I'll see how it's going. And we'll make an MOU also. So exact. You also. I want to protect yourself. So okay, whatever you do, you get whatever you. Yes sir. So I'll get it all paperwork done also, please. I have no intention on international, you know. But right now, I can give you that. I can give you exposure on tech front and infrastructure and mentors with the technical guys. Start developing. You're open. Do not get scared. Can I see here? If you're open to give suggestion, the suggestion will be heard, and will. I don't know how much time EHR will spend with you guys, but we will definitely come for demos. It's the most. And if we find that the product is really good, going in the right direction, has a potential to be cash out. Right now, आपका cash out का नहीं है. You get exposure, वो तो आपका cash out ही हो रहा है. But cash out हो रहा है monetary में. If we find, we'll be saying ruthless stuff. ऐसा क्यों नहीं है, ये भी है, वो भी है. But we think that then we'll figure out how to take to the at least our client का HR है.
Yes.
वो तो हम अपना कर ही सकता है. इतना तो मैं गारंटी दे ही सकता हूँ. अगर मैं हंगामा का HR जानता हूँ, वो बड़ी कंट्रोल के जानता हूँ, मैं उनको फोन तो कर ही सकता हूँ. Right? And I have so many attachments. Actually, I can take that way. But that means it has. But that will come in next year, I'm saying, because I have to understand you have a tight bound. So you have to see. And these two guys again. Did you guys speak to actually this week? If you can get them, I help you with intention certificate and everything.
Yes, I actually said, like, talk to your mentor, make it proper, recommend.
वो तो आ जाएगा. So we have been doing it since years. Then you will be given access to a attendance system. So that proves yourself that gives you a proof also with geofence there. तो आप आ रहे हो तो आप वो भी आप दे सकते हो
Proof for
that all needed as a compliance के लिए था कि आपका इसने क्वेश्चन उठा दिया प्रिंस के ऊपर किसी ने कंप्लेंट डाल दिया सब प्रिंट शेक लेकिन वो होता है जेलसी भी हो जाती है ना you can it's a norm ना
Yeah. Just yeah.
so that's how it is
the on
so anything else you have
and say
The others obviously like
हाँ करो मैं वो कुछ खोने के लिए नहीं है पर आप अपना टाइम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो अच्छी बात है
yes
so I will introduce you to
we love to demo the project
yeah definitely I asked Akansha and so I think I'll call Sage यहाँ पे वो लोग डेमो के लिए वहाँ चले
oh
गए
actually
so I think I'll call the client here
Yeah.
then they can go it there है ना
it's okay science
so this was the she came from Europe Jagan so I just happened to so I call her you can I'll ask Akansha to arrange everything for you and then we'll take it up